I brought trouble.
Excellent.
I thought we needed more duck.
Fair enough.
Hello.
You're throwing your butt into me.
Mary! Mary! Get out of the bush.
Okay, go.
Go.
Yeah, if anybody's going to start trouble, it's going to be Raina.
Okay.
Raina, the troublemaker.
I'm going to cross right in front of you, sorry.
That's fine.
See what I mean? Raina! Raina! Alright, you're done. Come here. Lorena! See, Mom's not going to help with this. I'm sorry. It's not acceptable. Dog. She's just, you know, she's got some.
You are such a leaner. Oh, yes, you
We're working through it.
Such a leaner.
She'll be fine. Baby.
I've decided I need